Well, welcome to the channel, everyone. Thanks for tuning in, and today's video is going to be kind of a quick one. We just wanted to go over real quick. We got asked a question the other day on how do we secure our fridge from opening up when we're in travel. So I kind of want to show you that, as well as this Furrion oven here, which are in very many of these RVs. A very common problem for these is the door shatters. So I'll have Beth come around and kind of show you two little tricks that we do. First and foremost is we keep a pizza stone in our oven. Make sure you take that out before you move. But the big thing are these little guys, and what this is it's just a child protector for your cabinets. We'll have a link down in our description, but you can get them brown, black, white, and as you see, you know, it opens a little bit, so we could always put another one right here, but we've never had a problem with this. A lot of people have this door shattered because it opens up in travel, and as your slide is tight, it hits this and it breaks. Same thing with our fridge over here. We have two of these on here, and you know, they just snap on, and you can see our door doesn't open. Now, little disclaimer, we did forget this one time, and it only took once, and we opened up that entry door, and well, half of our fridge had met us at the door. So we always make sure that we have a checklist, and we always check it 3 or 5 times and make sure that that's it. And we have this little guy here, same thing for our little beverage fridge. So it's a great little invention, not what it's intended for, but it works perfect for what we need it for. And again, they'll be in our description down in the bottom. So if you guys got any questions, let us know, and if not, we'll see you guys next week. Have a great week, and can't wait to see you again. Bye-bye.